Alright, paint stripping time. We're almost at our 45-second time here. The paint is now hot. We're going to take our clapboard scraper from the scraper caddy. We'll be doing the flats first, and then we'll come back and catch the profile. And the best thing about this, so now this is heated, we're going to move it to our next area we'll be scraping. Because remember, 50% less downtime, it's heating while we scrape. So here we go. Alright, we're heating a new spot here. We'll come back over to this section and scrape. Switch scrapers to the profile. Alright, good to go. Now we're going to come down to the second section. And again, this is where you have zero downtime because it's heating while you're scraping on your first area. And then what we'll do is when this is ready to scrape here, we're going to take it and we're going to sit it down to our next area. We'll put it right down in here. So again, while we're scraping the other area just heated, it will be down here working for us and creating less downtime. All right, here we go. Switch scraper. All right, there you go. Nice and clean, 50% faster, no downtime, and the best part, a scraper caddy to hold your scrapers.